And that is where they got my code. That is where IYABO OJO got my code.
tó ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa a mà tún ti dé o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Lizzy Anjorin pẹ̀lú IYABO OJO ẹ̀yin èèyàn èyí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí gbàǹkangbì ni ó lágbára gidi gan ni nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó yani lẹ́nu gidi ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ farabalẹ̀ báwo ṣe máa play fídíò yìí fún yín ṣùgbọ́n kí á tó tẹ̀síwájú gbogbo yín la mọ̀ wípé Àríkẹ́ èèyàn tímọ́tímọ́ ni pẹ̀lú Lizzy Anjorin PA rẹ̀ ni ẹni tí Lizzy Anjorin fi inú tán tó fi ọkọ̀ tán ṣùgbọ́n ní báyìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn àṣírí mà ti tú wípé Àríkẹ́ olórí lísì kóòdù ilé Lizzy Anjorin fún IYABO OJO àti Gistlover ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ nínú ìwé kọ́bọ̀ fídíò yìí ẹ farabalẹ̀ òkè máa bá wa ká lọ.
This was sent. Kódà ó wà ń bẹ̀. Ó wà ń bẹ̀ ẹ máa bọ̀. Déètì yẹn wà ń bẹ̀. Déètì yẹn wà ń bẹ̀. Ṣẹ́tìrì 16th of May 2020. 16th of May 2020. Let me show you guys on ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ afẹ́ ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bí wọn ò rí mi gbé ṣubú wọn ò mọ bí mo ṣe ń survive. Look at it. 16th May 2020. 16th May 2020. Ẹ mọ̀ pé mi ò lè ṣe IYABO OJO mọ̀ pé mi lè ṣe kí n má polówó ọjà mi so ìwọ tó bá wá fún mi tí n bá fi ẹ́ polówó ọjà àwọn family member ẹ tó ń ṣe ẹ́ ló bẹ́ẹ̀ wá. Now let's calculate. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sórí Google. When did IYABO OJO did housewarming in my estate? I mean housewarming of a rented apartment. IYABO OJO's housewarming. What date? What date and year? IYABO OJO housewarming. IYABO OJO pẹ̀lú fake life. Iwájú ilé tó ṣí ní 2020 ó tún ṣe housewarming ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ ní ọdún yìí. Ẹ kọ 2020 síwájú ẹ̀. Ẹ kọ 2020 síwájú ẹ̀. IYABO OJO ó ṣe housewarming rented house ní Friday September 11. Friday September 11 nínú the same estate. Anonymous dẹ̀ send the gift ní May 16 the same year. Ẹ connect dot yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé sẹ́gbẹ̀ ara wọn. 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 So Anonymous came to my house 16 May 16, 2020. IYABO OJO did housewarming of a rented house the same 2020, September 11. IYABO OJO, if I may ask you, how did you get the secret code of my house? So IYABO, that Anonymous with Gistlover, I am just saying, is a question. Is that Anonymous gift is to get hold of our address She 4 months after me. 4 months after. Wonderful. 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 Probably because mo kon ma parike lórí office line. Arike ló fún wọn ní code. Ó ti yé ọmọ ọlọ́mọ unknowingly ó kọ̀ mọ̀ kan fẹ́ wá ṣe pàràrà fún ọ̀gá òun. Because o kò lè wọnú estate wa láì ṣe wípé o ní code níbẹ̀. O dẹ̀ lè house rent wá sínú estate wa àyàfi tó bá ní agent tó nílé ńbẹ̀. So Yabo 4 months after o send this lover o send the gift sí mi under anonymous ní May 16 àbí 2020. I got married July 17. July to May àbí June, July. So it was 2 months after gerege ni mo ṣe wedding. And it was 4 months after gerege ni Yabo àti Folasariyu kó wá sínú estate wa. We are getting there. So 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Kò easy kéèyàn tó lọ tún wo rent jọ. Two plus 2. So pé 2 months after ni mo wed. So una wá wò pé since mo ti wed ni 2 months after. Ohun àti Fola náà wọlé kanlẹ̀ ní 2 months after. We are getting there. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n lọ play voice. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n lọ play video. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n play video. We are getting there. So the purpose of the gift is to have access into my estate. Kò sí wàhálà. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa gbádùn show mi lọ. Èmi ò mọ nǹkan tí voice ìyá DJ Splash ń wá lọ́dọ̀. Dono audio ìyá DJ Splash ta play. Ṣó ṣe pé fún Yabo, ṣé bó ń ṣàdúrà fún ni. Ṣé yẹ kí Yabo lọ fọmọ tálíkà fẹ́ fi orúbọ ẹ̀wọ̀n tó ń dúró dè. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbádùn. Achievement Yabo Ojo lé ní sìn. Achievement Yabo Ojo lé ní. Lawyer Deji Adeyanju ó unfollow no mo ti wá okay. Ó unfollow very dark man. Achievement ẹ nìyẹn lé ní. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má bínú ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ eléyìí lọ.
That time we mobile matter first happened. Now this over first reach out to me through Instagram. So
Yabo wọ́n nígbà tọ́rọ̀ Mohbad ṣẹlẹ̀. Wọ́n ní gist lover ló kọ́kọ́ chat wọn up. Ìwọ tó wá yọjú. Bí gist lover ṣe send the anonymous láti get the code ilé wa. Kí wọ́n tó wá kó wá sínú estate mi. Aja. Ani tẹ́ni bá ṣẹlẹ̀ kẹ́ gbé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Wọn kì í change code ilé. It's a secret code in my estate. Wọn kì í ní number nínú estate mi. Wọn kì í kọ number sáralé. It takes ẹni tó ti wálé ẹ̀rí dáadáa láti wọnú ilé ẹ̀. Tí n bá send code ilé mi sí ẹ, o ò lè mọ̀ bẹ̀. Security gan ò lè mú ẹ débẹ̀. Wọ́n lè fi street hùn ẹ́. Kò dẹ̀ sí anybody ò lè rí bèrè lọ́wọ́ anybody. Neighbor mi nísìn, ẹni tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi mọ̀ kò dẹ̀. Oníkálùkù ló ní secret code nílé ẹ̀ dẹ̀ lè change ẹ̀. Ó ti yé secret code tó wà ní document yìí nìyẹn. Lè is a one estate mi ò kì í ṣe bí wọ́n máa ń kọ number sára wall. Wọ́n kọ number lé sára wall. Tó bá ti wọ street yẹn, o lè mọ́lé tó ń lọ láyé. But this lover ti kọ́kọ́ wá. This lover ti kọ́kọ́ send àwọn onípàràrà wá. Ó ti yé yín. Mo ń gbọ́.
You can't tell me say in the ask you for around.
Wetin we dey talk here be say when I bought my house 2019, this lover posted about me that my enemy was into drugs. I never took any drugs in my life. I don't take alcohol at all. I don't go to club. So this lover blackmailed me like mad. And I just bought a property. But because this lover was after my property, around May 16, 2020, this lover now said, DM'd me, that they are gifting what's it called, Muslim stuff to their Muslim people, that they have this banana person that wants like a promo. So you understand that the banana person needs a promo kind of, and they are ready to, like they are giving what's it called, gift to all these Muslims and all that. Around 2020, May 16. So of course, they spoke to my PA, and that one sent them the secret code to my house and the address and everything. After 2 months, I got married. After 2 months of my marriage, IYABO packed into my estate, and she has been stalking me like mad. As a matter of fact, IYABO posted my house address with the secret code on Gistlover's page, on Amebo Gistlover's page. She posted it with police invitation. As a matter of fact, she posted it with phone number of Nigerian police because she thought they would arrest me. And after listening to me, they asked me to go. So she was pained that they did not arrest me at Zone 2. So IYABO now posted the police invitation, including my official VIP number and secret code of my house. IYABO posted everything. So we are trying to connect the dots. Why did IYABO rush to contact DJ Splash after Mohbad's death? Why did Gistlover was desperately looking for DJ Splash, of which IYABO's son and DJ Splash, they've met before, Abi, in a gathering whereby they were being dosed by Eba Gbigbono, whatever. So immediately Mohbad by the first thing that strike Gistlover's brain is, where is that DJ Splash? And for Gistlover to have been thinking about DJ Splash, Gistlover must have known the fact that there is something given to DJ Splash that may likely affect DJ Splash's health for the rest of his life. That was the reason Gistlover was desperately looking for DJ Splash in order to cook and sell fake narratives just to pull down Naira Marley. Now, it was this lover that chats these guys up. What was IYABO OJO looking for in their house? If IYABO OJO hands are clean, why can't IYABO OJO tell this lover that, you know, this boy just died? If I go to DJ Splash to go and represent you, what if Nigerian police want to do their work? What if they pick her up for thorough investigation? What will I tell Nigerian police? You don't understand? But IYABO OJO later said DJ Splash was the one that told him about her son. DJ Splash now said, no, you came to my house and you asked me, did I know your son? That question shows clearly that what transpired between DJ Splash and IYABO OJO's son, IYABO OJO is well aware, allegedly. What could now make IYABO OJO and this lover to hurriedly looking for DJ Splash? One, to push drugs issue. Two, DJ Splash confirmed that IYABO OJO's son took something that was making him sweating alone in the toilet, spending over 30 minutes in the toilet without poo-pooing, without wee-weeing. You all should know that the kind of hot eba that IYABO OJO's son took must be a very hot eba that may destroy someone's health for the rest of their life. So IYABO OJO and this lover knows very well that by now DJ Splash can never be okay. Let's go and bring him to pull down Naira Marley. And his health must have deteriorated beyond repair. Let's use him for donation at the same time. So now, what we are asking IYABO OJO now is that, IYABO OJO, why did you travel down even when DJ Splash said he doesn't want to talk to you? Because probably DJ Splash was scared of the hot eba IYABO OJO's son took that was making him to sweat in the head. Orí ọmọ IYABO OJO gbóná, orí ọmọ IYABO OJO gbóná, orí ọmọ IYABO OJO gbóná kanlẹ̀. For DJ Splash to have declined, I wish in future DJ Splash can tell us how hot the eba is and how the hot eba has rotten one, his health, and IYABO OJO's son health. Allegedly. Now, DJ Splash was not the person that contacted IYABO OJO. DJ Splash has not gone to IYABO OJO that, please, so we want this, yo, we want that, yo. For IYABO OJO to have gone there after this lover has chat the family up. Let's be listening to this thing.
Splash. So some people come forward my page to that. So you contact me. Like, are you the Splash brother? I say yes. So
Are you DJ Splash brother? IYABO OJO? You must have been monitoring DJ Splash for a very long time. But thank God he's still alive. Because if DJ Splash died, or was the death was meant for DJ Splash? Harmless question from place of heart. Was the death meant for DJ Splash instead of Mohbad? And when DJ Splash is not dying on time, Mohbad now? Just an harmless question. Allegedly. Allegedly. Because sorry, kini yen tight gan. No, joke. Kini yen tight. Bí Mohbad ṣe kú, ó sáré wá DJ Splash lọ láti fi cover kini. So definitely DJ Splash not ti wà nínú death row. Thinking pé bóyá ó máa kú allegedly. Oh, get me. Then for them láti sáré máa wá DJ Splash kí ọmọ yẹn ti kó lọ́dọ̀ wọn pẹ́pẹ́. Àbí? So wọ́n monitor ọjọ́ ló máa kú. Ọjọ́ ló because tó bá rí health ọmọ yẹn as àtijọ́ tán lọ sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀yìn. Ọmọ yẹn ti kú, ọmọ yẹn ò sí láyé mọ́. Ó wá sọ fún ọmọ yẹn pé kó lọ sí hospital. Torí pé ó mọ̀ wípé tí test bá jáde, test máa indicate wípé ẹ̀bà gbóná wà ní bloodstream ọmọ yẹn. You don't understand? Ọmọ yẹn dẹ̀ ti meet ọmọ ẹ̀ rí, wọ́n ti jọ jẹ̀bà gbóná torí wọ́n gbóná kalẹ̀. Ó mọ̀ pé àwọn wà kan wà téèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ bá lọ́wọ́ àgbàlagbà mọ́. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ọmọ yẹn ló bá ìrànlọ́wọ́ wá, is another ball game. Kò bá ìrànlọ́wọ́ wá, ìwọ ló wá lọ láti gbé náírà ṣubú àti láti fi tọrọ bára. Ṣá lè sọ wípé ọmọ ẹ̀ tó lọ síbẹ̀ gangan láti han ọmọ tí bí lè mọ̀ kán lè fọmọ ẹ̀ gbà bára kán dẹ̀ lè fi kó bá Naira Marley. Unfortunately ọmọ yẹn ò tètè kú. Mohbad ló tètè kú. Nígbà tí Mohbad dẹ̀ ti kú. Ọ̀pá wèrè tá ti ń retí kó kú láti ọjọ́ ìgan tá fẹ́ fi ródán yẹn tá a rí ẹja wà lọ allegedly. Allegedly. I think I'm a good.
See how infinite is the Splash, and he go like see me follow and talk for like video. I can't go miss my brother. At that time, you could go miss Splash, say one person follow and talk for video, all these things. He know they do. He go fight everybody.
Ìyábọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ní ìgbà tí wọ́n tún sọ fún DJ Splash pé èèyàn kan fẹ́ rí ó lóun ò rí wọn. Okay. Then DJ Splash mo rí fídíò tí ìyá DJ Splash sọ wípé ọmọ oníkan wá mú òun kán kó everybody kí wọ́n kó àṣìmáde rẹ̀ kì í ṣe ni.
Because say you see we no wan follow anybody talk. Na come tell this lover say my brother no wan follow you talk.
I think the Eba gbóná is a deadly Eba. That Eba gbóná was made with deadly garri. If you look at Mohbad, when he was with Naira Marley, Mohbad doesn't look druggy. Mohbad was very sharp when he was with Naira Marley. But the moment he left, go and check Mohbad's life. Check Mohbad's life, the way he speaks. Check this boy, DJ Splash. Check those two people. They said IYABO's son came to the house. And later, he went to the toilet. Going to that toilet sweating. Is he trying to use a paracetamol as antidote of the backbone? There were many there. He came, he rushed enter toilet. Maybe he was using paracetamol to calm down. But the paracetamol can still become the antidote. And DJ Splash did not spend 30 minutes in the toilet. So DJ Splash did not use antidote of paracetamol. Mohbad did not use antidote of paracetamol. And the Ebagbono was still in their system. And that was the reason they concluded in that WhatsApp. They will hang it on the nurse. At worst, the Ebagbono in his blood will be detected. And we can hang him there. Let's continue with donation. Let's target his properties. Most especially his royalty. Then that royalty, since Mohbad wants to have an interest, let's go and do DNA with Mama. When we do DNA, at least Baba Mohbad is not the owner of the boy. So all the royalty will come to Liam. And everybody here will share it, allegedly. Ẹ má ṣe pé fáwọn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, àwọn ọmọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tí a ti fi aṣọ ikú òjijì wọ̀ wọ́n tọmọtọmọ wọn, tá a ti fi aṣọ ìpọ́njú, aṣọ ẹ̀sín, aṣọ èpè tá a ti fi yí wọn tọmọtọmọ wọn. Ẹ jẹ́ máa gbọ́ lọ. 1 hour 30 minutes.
So I can't tell you say maybe I could just take his snap or any video. I can't see that video no go on, but that's my I just take that video.
So it's snap slash central.
Yes. Okay. So I can't take the picture. Can't send that video. You can't say come on.
Someone said, I would like to send you video of Mohbad. It is very important. Gift Mama 46. Go and check Mohbad's life when he was with Malian. He was sharp, talented, and handsome. When he was no more with Naira, go and check his life. He needs a lot of antidote, a lot of paracetamol. Because Ebagbono, you cannot understand the game. Cannot understand.
People don't really deal with it, but he go send my number give Mrs. Yaboju that Yaboju go come say she won't come, so she go feel take care of my.
Okay, this of Aloha sọ pé ó máa fún Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ní nọ́mbà ẹ̀ pé ó máa pè é. Okay.